Hey guys, it's Brooke from the Vintage Gardener. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to join and participate in the Podbean podcast. I got a message from Florence, who's one of the my Facebook fans, and she was saying that she wanted to join, but she didn't know how to do it. So I have an iPhone, so that's what I'm going to be showing you how to do it on. I don't have, an Android, but you should be able to find, comparable stuff on Android. So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need to go to the App Store. On, iPhone, it's the App Store. I don't know if it's called the Marketplace on Android phones, but it's wherever you have your apps for your phone. Okay, so then you're going to search for Podbean, because that is the app. Okay, and this is what it should look like. And so, just download it. In my case, apparently I need to update it. So then once that is finished updating it, I'll come back once it's finished. Okay guys, so this is the Podbean app. Let me see if you guys, the lighting in here is kind of bad. It gives you the option to log in using Facebook or Google. So if you have Facebook, which I know a lot of people do because that's how you found out about it, you just click on continue with Facebook, and it'll say Podbean wants to use facebook.com to sign in. Just hit continue. It's going to do its thing, go through all the prompts, and it'll bring you to the menu. Okay, so now that we've done that, let's go back to Facebook. Okay guys, if you go to the event section of the Vintage Gardener NJ fan page, you're going to see the event, what was your favorite flower this year. Tap on that. Then you're going to see that it says online Podbean. Just tap on that link. It's going to bring you to a page that looks like that, and it's going to say Podbean app and player, and it's going to say save my place in the app. A link will be copied to continue this page. Hit open, and it's going to bring you automatically to the card for the live call-in show. You can hit the bell for notifications. It'll notify you. And then if you want to, you can add it to your calendar. And you can let it add to your calendar. And then basically it'll put a notification, and it'll give you an alert 5 minutes. You can change it to so it's earlier than that, and then you hit add. And that's how you do it. So now let me show you how you actually participate in the podcast. Okay guys, so once you actually get into the live podcast, right now I've got a test one going, so you can see that I'm there. And hang on a second, let me turn this music down. Okay, so this is my Facebook name. I've joined. You can type messages, so if you want to chat with other people, that's great. And if you want to call in, there's this little button that says call. And it says call in. And basically you get a little thing that says you're calling in now. We'll let the host know that you're on. So that's all you have to do. Okay, once you call in, I will actually basically accept your call, and then it says Vintage Gardener NJ has invited you as a speaker. Maybe later, join now. Once you hit join now, access the microphone, and now you'll see that I have two accounts on Podbean. One is the one I created for the podcast, and then I created a separate account under my Facebook. But as you can see, they're both up here, and that's how you guys will look. And once again, you can type messages And so basically you can chat with any of the other listeners who were listening that day. When you hit that little button, it's going to pop up and say hang up. Just hit hang up, and that's how you end up off the air. You just hit this little call button, hit call in, and wait for me to answer your call. And then you'll see a little thing that says join now. And now you're on. And then when you're finished contributing, you can hit the hang up button and it will hang up on you guys. And so that's how you do it. So easy peasy. Hopefully that helps. If you guys have any more questions, just leave them in the comment section. And I hope to see as many of you guys as possible on October 29th at 8 p.m. So the topic is, what was your favorite flower this year? So I can't wait to see and chat with you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial, and hopefully I'll see you at the podcast.